Trying to sound advanced in English, and accidentally sounding weird. Here's the truth. Leveling up your English is not about big words. It's about natural word choices and ease. Many learners think, if I use more advanced vocabulary, I'll sound fluent. But native speakers usually do the opposite. They choose the simplest word that fits. Let's look at some examples of when to use more advanced word when context does not require it. The first example of when keeping a simpler word is more suitable and natural is utilise. We don't usually say utilise, we say use. The sentence, "You should utilize this app to practice English," sounds stiff and pompous. But, "You should use this app to practice English," sounds good. Natural English isn't about sounding impressive. It's about sounding normal. Another common mistake is using precipitation. In everyday English, we just say rain. There was a lot of precipitation yesterday. This sounds scientific, not conversational. It rained a lot yesterday. This sounds much more appropriate for everyday chat. Learners often choose aid to sound more advanced. But in normal speech, we say help. Can you aid me with this problem? This sounds overly formal. While, can you help me with this problem? Sounds much more friendly in tone. The word commence is another classic. We almost always say start instead. The class will commence at 6 p.m. This sounds like an official announcement. The class will start at 6 p.m. is more routine and for everyday, casual use. Endeavor looks impressive, but it's not natural in speech. We just say try. I will endeavor to finish this today. This sounds like a formal report. I'll try to finish this today. Ease wins over formality in everyday use. Inquire is correct, but it's too formal for daily conversation. We normally say ask. I wanted to inquire if you were free. This sounds stiff. I wanted to ask if you were free. Friendly, polite and effective. Learners often replace get with acquire. But get is one of the most natural verbs in English. I need to acquire some groceries. This sounds unnatural. I need to get some groceries. These choices aren't wrong, they're just written English, not how people actually speak. So, correct. Yes. Natural in speech. No.